to be coming from east and west. It's the strangest thing. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm in my backyard. Now it's coming from the east. I'm in Clearwater, Florida. It's just a constant rumble. It sounds like it's dying down. But this happens quite often here in the last few months. What is that? It just continues. Now it's coming back. Oh, it just stopped suddenly. Wow. And when it stopped, the frogs started talking again. Amazing. It stopped the frogs from talking, or toads, whatever they are. Okay. Well, it's gone.